If you want to create a website quickly, Site 123 is often recommended, but most people get this wrong. They assume it's just another drag-and-drop builder. The surprising truth is that Site 123 focuses on simplicity and speed, making it ideal for beginners or small business owners who need a website fast. Site 123 offers ready-made templates, intuitive design tools, and automatic mobile optimization. You don't need coding skills. The platform guides you through setup, from picking a template to publishing your site. It also includes built-in features like blogging, e-commerce, and SEO settings, so you can manage multiple aspects of your site in one place. One standout feature is the AI-based content suggestions. Site 123 can suggest headings, text, and layouts based on your industry, which is useful if you are not sure how to structure your website. The platform also supports free SSL certificates, hosting, and a domain name, so beginners can get online with minimal setup. However, there are limitations. Site 123 isn't as flexible as advanced builders like WordPress or Wix. Customization options are somewhat limited, and if you want highly unique designs or complex features, you may hit a ceiling. Free plans also display branding, so to appear professional, you'll likely need a paid plan. In conclusion, Site 123 is perfect for individuals or small businesses who want a simple, fast, and functional website without the learning curve. It's not ideal for advanced users or large-scale e-commerce, but for getting started online, it's reliable and beginner-friendly. If this review helped you understand whether Site 123 is right for your website needs, subscribe for more honest reviews, web building tips, and strategies to launch your online presence efficiently.